next waterfall is called Dao Waterfall. You can see the picture here. And here you get a guide as well, but it's a lot cheaper here. It's only 60 pesos and then 20 for the motorbike.
Where you come from?
Australia.
Australia?
Australia, yeah.
No Chinese?
I'm Australian.
Parents Chinese? No.
Parents Chinese, yeah.
Girlfriend?
No.
No. How old are you?
26.
26.
Wow, just look at the mountains here. Ooh. This way? Down?
This way? Let's
Okay.
go.
This is a steep hill.
$165 walk step.
165.
Step. Yeah?
Okay, that's a lot of steps. Wow, it's a bamboo bridge.
Oh. Very nice.
Yeah,
How about
a little scary. Oh, there's a dog that's come to join us.
Yeah. Look, the
Dog.
name is dog is Brownie.
Brownie.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go, Brownie.
Slowly, Bijo. Walk slowly, Bijo.
Slowly, okay, alright. It does feel a little bit dodgy. I can feel the bamboo underneath me shaking. Oh wow, the water down there is really clear. Oh my god, there's like missing gaps. It's a little scary. Oh, the dog doesn't give a shit. Whoa. This is actually a really nice walk. You walk right beside the river. You can see the scene also. Brownie over there is enjoying herself.
Yeah, nice view.
Yeah, nice view. Yeah. Wow, look at the water, it's so clear here. I can hear the waterfall.
Oh yeah.
I can hear it.
Yeah.
So we just gotta walk that way?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
No, let's go. It's very slippery.
Slippery? Okay. I wonder what happens when there's a two-way traffic here. Like what if somebody's coming from the other side? Alright, the water's getting pretty high. Okay, it's getting louder and louder.
Louder.
Louder!
Yeah.
The waterfall must be closed. Once you pass that part, there you can see the waterfall. Wow, that is a tall waterfall. It's beautiful. What an incredibly beautiful place. Oh. Yeah. So even though this waterfall is not as adventurous as a Guinea waterfall, you can see it's just incredibly beautiful. It's way better looking. You can see how blue the water is. There's all these birds flying around. Look at how tall this waterfall